peeps? We are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg because obviously Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge, has recently opened. We talked in our last video about what could be coming next to the park, but we're kind of creeping up on a 30th anniversary of Alpengeist. Alpengeist will be turning 30 years old in 2027, and we wanted to revisit what is the story of this ride. Is it good? It's certainly not our favorite roller coaster, but we haven't ridden it in years, so we're going to ride it today, share our thoughts, talk about like what the actual story of it is. It actually has a pretty interesting story behind the ride, and just kind of revisit the queue experience, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ride Alpengeist and talk about it. Announced in 1996 and opened on March 22nd, 1997, Alpengeist shattered records as the tallest and fastest inverted coaster of its time. Designed by legendary coaster engineer Werner Stengel and manufactured by coaster manufacturer B&M, it uses the park's natural ravines to terrifying effect. The coaster stands 195 feet tall and features a 170-foot drop. Alpengeist also hits speeds of 67 miles per hour and flips riders upside down 6 times. As we make our way up to the ski lodge here in Alpengeist, talk a little bit about what the story of this ride actually is. Your favorite YouTuber actually didn't know that this was not a ride about the Yeti. It's a ride about a ghost of the mountains that takes over a ski lift and brings you on a crazy ride through the snow-capped mountains.
Buried deep in the Alps lies a terrifying force. A force as old as time, as powerful and brutal as nature itself. Some say it is legend, myth. But those who inhabit this terrain say nothing, lest their words provoke its wrath. They hear it roar amid the fierce mountain blizzards of its icy breath. They know its mysterious name, but only dare to utter it in hushed tones. Alpengeist.
Oh no. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. Okay, for the first time in years, guys, we rode Alpengeist, and I gotta say, you know, the reason I don't like this ride is it's the only roller coaster at Busch Gardens that actually gives me motion sickness because it gets a little twirly at multiple times throughout the ride. But today, rode in the front row, no problems, no motion sickness. It was smooth, it was fast, it was fun. I gotta say, I think I may have gained a new appreciation for Alpengeist while making this video. I just wanted to talk about the 30th anniversary coming up. Now, I do think that the ride, you know, with the 30th anniversary coming up, could definitely use like a refresh. You know, retouching some of the paint of the snow, perhaps additional theming elements. Perhaps they could incorporate a little bit more of the classic story. You know, incorporate maybe the ghost of the mountain as part of the ride. You know, like they have with the Big Bad Wolf and the Loch Ness Monster. You know, I know this doesn't have an iconic creature like those, but you can make one, right? And I think I would love to see that. So, what do you guys think? Alpengeist 2027 30th anniversary. Do you think Busch Gardens will do something to celebrate? Are you hoping that they do? You know, what are your thoughts or your favorite memories of Alpengeist? Leave us a comment down below and give us a thumbs up on this video. It lets us know that you like this type of content and maybe you want to see us revisit some more of these coasters, talk about the history, talk about the story of them in the way that we have with Alpengeist and now the newer coasters like Big Bad Wolf and Loch Ness Monster. And hey, while you're giving this a thumbs up, you might as well subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we release upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.